Video from News Chopper 9 shows a halfway mark of the 69 Expressway project. Construction stretches through the busy area of Johnson County, leaving commuters and residents with daily traffic headaches. KMBC 9 Investigates is looking into new complaints of loud work keeping them up at night. Good evening, I'm Laura Moritz.
And I'm Chris Kentz. With families living right along the highway, all of the lights are keeping people awake, and all that drilling from the work is shaking their houses. KMBC 9's Andy Alcock is getting answers from developers.
We're at the southern end of this project, which runs all the way from 151st to 103rd Street. As we take a look, this project will continue for more than 2 years, but already some residents have had their fill of it. This cul-de-sac in Overland Park is typically pretty quiet. Donna Syed shot video with her phone Sunday night at about 11 to show how that peace was disrupted.
It literally shook my house. And this had been going on night after night for a number of nights.
With noise ordinances, you would hope that it wasn't going into when people are trying to get rest for the next day.
But the project contract waives those ordinances and allows construction at any time of the day. The project's own website says night work, quote, may cause impacts to activities such as sleep. Jeff Cosin provided us this video taken at 10:30 at night in July at the 139th Street overpass. More recently, he shot this video of flooding last month at the same location, shutting down traffic.
Our neighbors around here are not happy.
Our residents have a right to peace and quiet.
Overland Park City Councilman Faris Farasati also says he plans to raise residents' concerns at an upcoming committee meeting. Along 69 Highway, Andy Alcock, KMBC 9 News.
KDOT project manager Steve Rockers says he understands the concerns, but he also said without night work, the project would take much longer to finish and would be more disruptive to traffic.